Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, these things on my shirt are just going to drive me insane. There we go. Okay, today we are going to be talking about just the amazing benefits of vitamin C and why I love it so much. Particularly, I'm going to be talking about my favorite type of vitamin C and brand, and that is specifically the Banish vitamin C line. But of course, I'm talking in regards to all vitamin C's in general because it's just amazing. But anyway, with that being said, definitely subscribe to my channel wherever the heck I will put it, and don't forget to smash that like button so you don't miss any single video I post on the weekly basis, because that is not nice. Anyway, I would deeply appreciate it. Anyway, also enjoy yourself a nice glass of Karen Phytoplankton. I'll put my deal here, of course. Without further ado, let us get into it. Okay, this is why I personally love vitamin C. So I'll just do a little description on what the heck it is and like why I love it so much. But basically, vitamin C is super potent when it comes to antioxidants, and it protects free radicals from the sun. Could potentially harm the skin because all free radicals like UVA, UVB does damage the skin. Majority of aging and like dark spots and like hyperpigmentation actually does come from the sun and from like free radicals, environmental pollutants, air we breathe, just a very toxic environment and world we live in. It's quite sad. But anyway, that is why when it comes to skincare, at least, we have vitamin C to protect and neutralize those free radicals that can help prevent cell death. But yeah, from a young age, we obviously produce our own antioxidants from a young age, but then as we get older, we decline deeply, very sadly, oh my goodness, in time. But yes, that's just how it is. So but yeah, with that being said though, I definitely encourage you, of course, to wear sunscreen with conjunction of vitamin C in the morning, because not only you are simultaneously protecting your skin from the sun, you're simultaneously protecting your skin from the sun and healing it, speeding up the healing process so much because of the vitamin C that is obviously contributing to the healing and prevention of the cell deaths. So it'll brighten up and lighten hyperpigmentation, and it can heal wounds or sunburns or acne scars, of course, that are caused from the sun. I mean, not acne scars, but like the darkening of those scars and also like sunburn. And vitamin C is also super hydrating, so it helps retain moisture and it promotes collagen production, or at least prevents collagen breakdown or slows it, because again, prevention is the key. So there are many different types of vitamin C's. So I personally use the L-ascorbic acid because it's the most natural, most purest type of vitamin C. It is the most well-known and researched to my knowledge, and it penetrates the deepest within the epidermis, but you should not mix it with water, because apparently if you mix it with water, it'll deplete its like activity, like it'll just become useless essentially. Because yeah, basically the only downside to that type of vitamin C, which again are found in all of these, because these are all like organic, pure, natural, very amazing and highly effective ingredients, but only thing with L-ascorbic acid, again, which is the only type of vitamin C I personally use, which happens to be in all these as well, is it does deplete the quality and effectiveness over time as soon as you open it, because it is very sensitive to the air and sunlight. And that's why I love these packagings, as they have tight seals and they're all black, so no light can get in, only for the second you quickly apply it to your skin. So yeah, mind you, when you look for a vitamin C serum, you should always, or product in general, you should always look for dark packaging and reliable packaging. But anyway, this is what the packaging looks like. This is the Banish Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. There's not only vitamin C in this, but there's also aloe leaf juice, there's bilberry, sugar maple for very light exfoliating, there's orange, cranberry extract. Again, these are just all different types of antioxidants jam-packed as well with the vitamin C. And this vitamin C cream, I really like this because again, it has aloe vera, not only just vitamin C, but it has rosehip oil, and again, a bunch of other antioxidants in here. So red raspberry, rosemary, vitamin E, white willow bark, just to help again gently exfoliate. This is the natural version of salicylic acid, blueberry extract in here. So again, just a bunch of other antioxidants just thrown in there, because why not? It's amazing. And this is the Banish oil. So it's 99% pure grade vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, and then also as well with aloe, vitamin E, rosehip oil, a bit of witch hazel to help again exfoliate. So definitely wear obviously wear sunscreen in general, again, especially with vitamin C's, but all of these are non-irritating. And again, they definitely speed up the healing process of my scars. Yeah, you could of course, use the code Sonia for $5 off at Banish checkout. I'll just put the link in the description. But again, what I really like to do to prolong the life of these is store them in the fridge. And I actually store like most of my skincare in the fridge, and I've always done this because there's been some vitamin C's, again, most of my vitamin C's, I'll put them in the fridge and I'll have a vitamin C on my like makeup stand that is not in the fridge. Like I'll open both of them at the same time, but then by the end of the month, the one that's outside of the fridge, it turns orange. It starts to smell funky. Well, I'll open the fridge to the other vitamin C I opened again at the same time, but that will still be clear, no odor, perfect condition. So that's how much longevity you can get out of your skincare by putting them in the fridge. So easily, those vitamin C's could last about 6 months longer, up to even a year longer, just from storing it in the fridge and making sure you close it tightly with after every single use. But yeah, the vitamin C should be either white or clear formula. And if it's not that, most likely it's a bad batch, or again, it's probably you opened it and then over a short period of time, it just gone stale or bad quickly. So yeah, so vitamin C's should always be clear, unless if they are adding like another ingredient to it to add color naturally. Like for example, this one, there is rosehip, and rosehip is like an orangey color. So this one will look a bit orange. Just be very mindful of that. If there are any other ingredients that could possibly color, like add color to it. But yeah, there are other derivatives of vitamin C. So things like, oh my god, I might be butchering this, aspartyl palmitate, calcium ascorbate, sodium phosphate, magnesium phosphate, sodium ascorbate, if I'm correct. And these derivatives of vitamin C, I don't think there's enough studies on all of them thoroughly, but from my research, a lot of derivatives of vitamin C won't actually be able to penetrate as deep as the original L-ascorbic, but they can potentially be more stable and last longer. So you kind of have to weigh out the pros and cons of which vitamin C you want to do. So yeah, definitely do your own research when it comes to what type of vitamin C you want to use on a daily basis. Maybe if you're not going to use vitamin C on a daily basis, get a derivative, who knows? Again, it's your call. Or again, just store your all your vitamin C's in the fridge. Yeah, in conclusion, I would just recommend storing all skincare honestly in the fridge, period point blank. Exclamation mark, X marks the spot. What else you want to add there? I don't know. But yes, it's very important to store vitamin C's in the fridge. But yes, I hope this helped. I hope I can explain again why I absolutely love vitamin C. It's so healing. It makes your skin so glowy. And of course, consume vitamin C from food. So a bunch of fruit. A lot of potatoes apparently have a lot of vitamin C. So if you like potatoes, that's a call that vitamin C is waiting for you in food form. So yeah, with that being said, dark leafy greens. Yes, anyway, with that being said, subscribe and lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace.